Picture this. You feel that familiar tickle in your nose. A sneeze is coming. You brace yourself. It explodes out. You reach for the tissue and there it is again. Another sneeze. And another. And another. It's the never-ending sneezing. A peculiar phenomenon that's both amusing and annoying. Why does it happen? Your body is simply trying to expel irritants from your nose or throat. A sneeze is a powerful involuntary expulsion of air. Sometimes one sneeze just isn't enough to get the job done. So next time you're in the middle of a sneezing fit, remember your body is just doing its best to keep you healthy. And as for those around you, they might just need to stock up on tissues and patience. Until the next peculiar phenomenon, stay curious and stay healthy.